3, 2, 1. Congratulations to the inauguration of the Ming Wai Lau Center for Reparative Medicine, Karolinska Institute at Hong Kong.
This is a very special day for Hong Kong. This is a milestone in the development of science and medicine in Hong Kong. This journey started 2.5 years ago when I visited Karolinska, sitting on this flight to London Heathrow en route to Stockholm. The idea came up. And we started to scribble on a piece of scrap paper. Today, that idea has become a reality.
科研呢個標籤其實係一個超闊，你物理學又係科研，你鋼製包又係科研，你寫 app 又係科研。我覺得香港長遠係要可能揀3、5、7樣專啲嘅 area 去 focus 嘅。你香港冇可能成為世界科研中心，但係你香港係有條件可能成為世界鋼製包復修醫學中心，或者某啲個別嘅課題嘅中心或者專家。我其實5000萬美金可以請好多人製造可能幾千萬就業機會嘅，但係我呢個唔係用就業機會嚟量度，呢個係用翻KI 點樣刺激其他本地嘅大學、本地嘅研究員去一齊多啲合作，點樣刺激瑞典同香港或者香港同內地嘅科研合作，呢啲嘢你可以話係量度唔到添嘅。同時間，我覺得即係你過5年後、10年後睇翻。即係呢一個復修醫學呢一範，香港會唔會成為咗無論係喺中國或者亞洲甚至全世界嘅一個可能 top 2、top 3嘅 centre？ 我覺得絕對有可能。呢個亦都係有助年青人好，或者香港本地已經係讀緊科學嘅學生去投身呢一個行業。